Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook lean steak. Start with the right cut, like a sirloin or flank steak, which are naturally lean. Before you do anything else, it's super important to pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve that beautiful, crispy crust we all love. Then, season your steak generously on both sides with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before it hits the pan. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now let's get that perfect sear. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed, and let it get shimmering hot. Carefully place your steak in the pan and sear it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. This quick, intense heat creates a fantastic crust and locks in the juices. After searing, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan, along with aromatics like garlic cloves and fresh thyme. Tilt the pan and continuously baste the steak with the melted butter for 1 to 2 minutes. This infuses flavor and helps finish the cook. Always use a meat thermometer. Aim for 130 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare. The final, crucial step is resting your steak. Transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the internal juices to redistribute evenly, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful bite. Once rested, slice your steak against the grain into thin, even pieces. This technique shortens the muscle fibers, making every bite incredibly tender and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.